Hey folks, how are you all doing? And look, today we're at Southampton Airport. We got a rare arrival to show you today. It's a TUI Boeing 737-800 from Parma. It's going to be in at around 12:55, I think. Is it 12:55?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
That's for Bob around.
12:55, and yeah. So at the moment,
Oh, we've got the air ambulance coming in.
we've got an air ambulance coming in, folks. So let's just get that in a minute. But we've got we got a private jet to show you. We've got a Platinus PC-12. We've got 2 Logan Air flights at the gate. We just had an Aer Lingus ATR. There's only 2 coming, not about a few minutes ago. So we're going to be seeing her depart very soon, I should believe, because she's just an ATR. But let me show you this. Yeah. Fly, my little ATR flag. 10. And Bosh. Yeah. Look at all the smoke coming from those tyres, man. Bloody hell. You'll hear that hard. 10. Wow. Yeah. Nicely done. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Nice. I don't think that'd be very good. Yeah, there you go, you're done now. You're done opening the ground door. Dust stuff! Yeah, and then... Ali, look at that! Ali. Yeah. A little wing wave there. See? Wallet. Yeah, big swing, man. Yeah. Well, I mean, what am I saying? Alright, here comes TUI now, just steering out there. Nice! That has probably got to be the longest takeoff roll I've ever seen. Right folks, there you have it. It's not every day. We've been trying to catch that jet for a long time now. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching today's video, today's premiere. We'd like to see you smash a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Southampton Airport shows where you are, as we're going to be here for a lot longer now in the summer, for a lot more now in summer, to catch that TUI jet that just took off, and he's going back to Palma de Mallorca. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Harry's Aviation TV. Bye for now.
You're watching Harry's Aviation.